In this video, we're going to do some talar anterior to posterior mobilizations and posterior to anterior. So you could also do this with a mobilization with movement in non-weight bearing and weight bearing. To start, what you can do is come around distal tibia here, create your block. You can utilize either web space, come right on that talus, and then doing an anterior to posterior mobilization. If you want to do a non-weight bearing mobilization with movement, you can come under, block, put that same hand position here, and then you could actually utilize your leg to mobilize as you're giving a posterior force, moving that ankle into dorsiflexion. And then for the posterior to anterior glide, same position here where you can block, come on that talus, and then you're just pulling anteriorly as you do your mobilization that way.